Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the Pixel Watch and ensuring it has at least 50% charge. This prevents interruptions during pairing. Once done, open the Pixel Watch app on your phone and keep Bluetooth enabled. Pairing requires proximity. Make sure you're signed into the exact Google account you intend to use because account data and backup restore depend on it. If you plan to use cellular, have your carrier info ready. Otherwise, ensure Wi-Fi credentials available so the watch can download updates after initial pairing. Next, pair the devices by scanning the watch's QR code or entering the on-screen code in the app. Grant Bluetooth, location, and notification permissions when prompted so features work. Once paired, choose to restore from a recent backup to recover apps and settings, or set up as new if you prefer a clean start. The watch will download necessary updates and apps. Meanwhile, configure a lock passcode, wrist gestures, and notification access so you receive messages and calls immediately and securely. Finish by signing into Google fully, enabling Health Sync with Google Fit, and customizing tiles, watch faces, and complications for quick access. Install essential apps, then test notifications, heart rate sensor, and GPS by taking a short walk. This confirms accuracy and permissions. If something goes wrong, reboot both the phone and watch first. If pairing repeatedly fails, perform a factory reset on the watch and retry pairing with airplane mode off. That clears corrupted settings and typically resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.